name is Amy. I'm a third year primary education student at York St John. I've now experienced 3 first semesters, 2 of these at different universities because I'm studying abroad. These are my top tips about how to make the most of your first semester at university. Firstly, don't miss any lectures. I know this one gets told to you by everyone, but do not miss any lectures or seminars if you can help it for silly reasons, because once you start, it's really easy to keep on missing them. So just don't not go in the first place. Second tip is to give it a go at multiple different sports and societies and not just put all your eggs in one basket, because learn from me, one thing may not be as great as you thought it might be, you might not enjoy it as much as you wanted to, so it's really good to have another sports society to fall back on so you can still make the most of your time at university. Third thing, do not forget about your health. It's really easy now you've moved out, you've got the freedom of not living with your parents anymore, to start forgetting about your health. But it's really important to make sure that you're still eating your nutrients, your fruit and veg. I find that I just keep a bag of frozen veg in the freezer to have with all my meals, and it's really good. Trust me, you will feel so much better if you are eating healthy. Number 4, my top tip is budgeting. Do not blow your whole loan at the start of the term. Trust me, your future self at the end of the semester will thank you for it if you've still got money left to be spending on Christmas presents. First term is the most active, new and sometimes overwhelming time of your uni experience. It might really help you to settle in a bit more, feel a bit less homesick if you establish some sort of routine, even if it's like trying a new sport, getting into fitness, maybe you make food the same time each week or set a time to call home. It really helps to have that one thing every week that you keep the same, which will help you get into a routine and feel less homesickness. And my last tip, probably the most important, is to push yourself. First term is the prime time to push yourself out of your comfort zone, try something new, meet new people without that fear of judgment, because nobody's judging anyone in the first term. We're all in the same box. Last semester I tried out something new. I went to a free bowling with a church group that I didn't know about before, and it was such a great experience. I was really nervous at first because I didn't know anyone, but I gave it a go and I absolutely loved it, and now I've got a group of friends that I really love hanging out with and I get to see every week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope one of these tips helped you out. Just make sure to make the most of your first term at university.